guys, it is the ninth day of our self-quarantine, which means the ninth day where we haven't actually met anyone, just the family members. It's been interesting so far. I'm enjoying it a lot, but ये सोच mind में definitely आती है कि what if हमारी पूरी ज़िंदगी यही होगा और इसी तरह से होना है, which I'm sure is not the case. लेकिन जब people are stressed, when there's a pandemic, बहुत सारी अलग-अलग किस्म की सोचें mind में आती हैं. For the past 2 weeks, we've just been trying our best to wash our hands, अपने हाथ साफ रख रहे हैं और just keeping like the high touch areas around our household very clean. We're literally having to scrub them with Dettol or bleach. उसके अलावा of course social distancing, which is something that we are going to talk about but later on. थोड़ी देर पहले मैं नींद से उठी थी. I went and took a shower. I thought that today is going to be the day that I utilize my time properly. जितना भी मुझसे हो सके मैं थोड़ा सा vlog करती रहूँगी. I just told everyone that I want to make a spinach omelette, so everyone is sort of waiting and they're not making their own breakfast. तो अब मैं washroom में जाके do like a mini quick skin routine and then I'm gonna head to the kitchen and make breakfast. और फिर देखते हैं कि how the rest of the day pans out pretty much. Okay guys, so really quick, I'm gonna show you guys what I do every morning after I take a shower. So I've already washed my face with face wash and I usually use this, which I'm running out of, which I'm sad about because I don't know if anybody's gonna be able to go out. People are only allowed to go out for groceries and stuff, so I don't really know if this is gonna be high priority right now. I have a few other backup options. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly tone my face. I like using this toner. It's alcohol free, so it doesn't dry out my skin, and it has wheat germ, although I don't break out much luckily, but kabhi-kabhar occasional जो uninvited friends आ जाते हैं आपकी शक्ल पे, उनके लिए this is good. Next, what I'm gonna do is use this Defyderm Hyaluronic acid. I always have an issue saying that word. I just take maybe like 3 drops, and honestly मुझे इसके बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था. And then my dermatologist helped me identify some locally made products that are really good for your skin, and this was one of them. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, like fine lines and stuff, and it also helps in making your skin look very hydrated and plump. So I'm going to use this Dr. Jart Serum cream. This cream I just love because I've been using it for a while. It not only helps कि आपकी skin में moisture retain हो, it also acts as like this protective layer around your skin to block out any kind of toxin, pollution in the atmosphere. I take this much, then I mix in this vitamin C glutathione called EventoneC. Again, it's something that's made in Pakistan, and I'm just gonna put in like a drop of this, add in just about this much. I'm just gonna mix it together and add some here, and soft motion, just apply it across my entire skin and the neck, and the remaining I just put on my hands because आजकल हम लोग इतने हाथ अपने धो रहे हैं, like हर 5 मिनट के बाद, being a little OCD about it, but better safe than sorry, right? This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Although it's like a night eye cream, लेकिन मैं दिन के वक्त लगाती हूँ क्योंकि if I decide to kind of put very light makeup on my skin, I feel like under my eyes it really helps. Okay, so now that my eye cream is on, what else do I do next? Oh, I know! I'm gonna use my CoNatural Lip Scrub, and I love the smell of it. I'm so tempted to just not wash it off and just eat it. It's so good. And this is a little messy though. It smells and tastes delicious. And this brand is made in Pakistan, all natural, no chemicals in this product, so can't go wrong with this. I'm just gonna wash it off. This is something that I definitely don't do every single day. Also, it's just like this one added step to make my whole morning skincare routine look like super cool. So yeah, I'm done with my morning skincare routine, and now I'm gonna be heading off to hopefully making a really good spinach omelette. Although, omelette and having breakfast, oh god, no. mama. She's making muffins again. Oh, you need eggs for the muffin. How did you know that? You're a smart girl. Margot is helping me right now. We're making spinach omelets and she decided to help. You like to cook in the kitchen?
Mama?
Yes? What's that?
Bubbles.
What happened?
Tissue. Bubbles.
You need some tissue? Did you touch the egg?
White.
You need a white. Don't we all? And I ain't no Gordon Ramsay.
Maybe you can try flipping them over and cutting them.
Like this?
Yeah.
No, but then they're wobbly, right? Yeah.
I always do it this way.
Okay.
It's just easier.
Oh, wow. You learned something new. We have the spinach, onions, eggs, but we need the butter. So this in no way is a healthy breakfast because we're using butter, but it tastes good. It's not that unhealthy, but it's not your low-fat kind of. With 3 eggs at a time. Just the eggs.
Ooh.
This frying pan on medium high heat, and I'm gonna take some butter. I think the egg looks the best because I only use like roughly just about an egg and it's spread out very thin on the frying pan, and then I fold it in half and then cut it in half. In order to avoid feeling like a complete bum, I think अच्छी बात है ये कि if you're getting ready at home, just to even be at home. Samra on the other hand has conference calls every single day.
Do not do that.
This is what she looks like for her professional daily conference meetings.
What day is it today?
Monday, Sunday extended. The extended mix.
अली तुम हमें चाय पिलाओगे ना?
अपने प्यारे हाथों से.
अपनी कोमल और
सुंदर.
मैं भी कुछ कर रहा हूँ.
Wait and wait.
फ्रिज साफ कर रहा हूँ. इसी का कर रहा हूँ मुझे.
मेरी तो पानी जैसी बनती है.
Conveniently. Samra, what?
Next level is.
Is she there? Oh, nope, definitely not there. Where could she be? Oh my god, you found her! You found her, Magu! Magu found Jojo! So how's that fitness routine coming along? Is it wrist day? Wrist and finger day. Hey guys, so just had dinner. I made some pulao. Turned out really good. I didn't shoot any videos of it. I think I only just put up like an Insta story or something about it. But yesterday I made some hummus and I also made my own signature mutton curry recipe, which was really good. Thanks, Samra.
Because I just cut.
Don't lie. You're just getting emotional about this whole coronavirus thing. I know you are. But yeah, what were you saying?
You can make a vlog on how this is an opportunity for you to cook every day.
A vlog. There's
Vlog.
a difference, okay? A vlog. What's happening right now, aside from Samra and Ali fighting outside, I am cooking a lot more because we have sent our usual cook away. She's chilling at home in self-quarantine, I hope. So अब मुझे खाना पकाना पड़ रहा है. I don't know why I am the only designated cook in this house.
Because I have meetings.
Oh, I'm making some mutton. It's a very simple recipe actually. All I do is I put up some water to boil. Basically, you just have to put in some mutton. Sorry if you are vegan or vegetarian, but we do happen to love our meat in this household. Okay, so I ended up adding some bay leaves as well as some sabut garam masala and 2 teaspoons of namak, salt. I think I want to add maybe a few cloves of garlic and then just let it boil and let the water reduce. तो फिर हम इसके अंदर प्याज, टमाटर और सारे मसाले ऐड करके इसको भूनेंगे और थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड करके and then I'm just gonna let it cook on low heat. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 45-minute to an hour procedure, but I don't really like cooking in a pressure cooker because मुझे उससे बहुत डर लगता है, so that's why I am using a regular pot. Quarantine day 8. If there's one thing that I dislike about cooking, ये सारी सब्जियाँ क्यों काटनी पड़ती हैं? फिर आप अपने onions, tomatoes, green chilies और धनिया wash up करके अच्छी तरह से and you can chop it up in that time and then come back. And this is where it will be at that point where you can see that the water is about to dry up very soon. और जब ये dry हो जाएगा तो इसके अंदर मैं तेल, onions, मसालास, हरी मिर्चें, a little bit of ginger paste और
Oh God.
Can you hold this please?
No.
Please, really quick.
I can eat this.
Come on, you gotta be a better Instagram husband.
You know,
Please यार,
I'm
मतलब
the
at least vlogs में तो help ही कर लिया करो
I'm
अगर
the
कोई और काम
best.
नहीं होता घर में.
like, ये देखो तुम्हारी इतनी TRP
मतलब खाना-
बनेगी ना, इस बात पे तुम्हारी TRP
इस
मिलने
बात
वाली
पे
है।
वो बात मैंने की है.
ये सब
कैमरा-
औरत मार्च के वोट तुम्हें मिलेगा।
I feel like I need more tomatoes. What do you think? कम करूँ नीट को.
You know what? My experience says,
कि मैंने हांडी जला दी है.
हाँ, ये काफी लग गया।
What?
ठीक है, looks good. It looks good. थोड़ा और इसको
अब इसमें थोड़ा
ढक दो।
पानी डाल के लो हीट
हाँ,
पे.
देखो कितना मैंने ये बना दिया है। उफ, need a break like 3 days, no work. शोर कितना है और काम देखो, इतना जोर से क्यों मारते हैं? ये बताएं।
ऐसे ताकि इसके ऊपर जो खाना लगा हुआ है वो वेस्ट ना हो. You get it?
और जो जर्रात नीचे गिर रहे हैं इधर उधर वो
इधर उधर नहीं, दीक्षे में गिरते हैं ना. Okay, so I just added some water to this. Stewie.
stewy. Yeah, why is it stewy?
Like Stewie from the Family Guy.
Why did we cook stewy?
Why did we cook Stewie?
Yeah.
You sound very appetizing.
Yo, check this out. Yo. यार ये तो खुद ही देखो adjust कर गया.
Yeah, it's called autofocus.
Yeah. Adjust.
Yeah.
Adjust हो गया. Alright.
अपने आप को ही देखो और ये ना देखो कि खाना पक रहा है. Just saying.
मैं इधर क्यों आया?
हत्त विजी भाता से. Now what we're gonna do is just gonna add some whole hari mirchis in here. Okay, it looks good, but it's not ready, obviously. Okay, so we're all really hungry, but it's done. And it kind of looks like this. Does it look good?
I don't know how to taste it. तुम्हारा ही आइडिया था?
हाँ.
मैंने उसको बोला कि तस्वीर बनाओ उसकी.
हाँ तो वो तस्वीर बना रही है. देखो.
बना रही है तस्वीर बन रही है.
तस्वीर बना दो जरा. मागू,
चलो
you
यार.
excited? चलो.
बिस्मिल्लाह करो.
It's like barbacoa.
या क्योंकि इसका वो जो शोरबा टाइप है वो अच्छे तरीके से ड्राई अप हो गया और लाइक ड्राई.
All the juices are in the meat. But
Yeah.
not to toot my own horn, but this mutton is good. Yeah.
वो जो सप्लाई चेन्स थी वुहान चाइना से वो तो सब बंद हो गई ना.
सब बंद हो गई.
तो यहाँ पे कार डीलरशिप्स के पास जो इन्वेंटरी पड़ी हुई है इस वक्त. चलो ठीक है गाड़ियाँ राइट नाउ they're not selling any cars, but just think about अगर इकोनॉमी इनकी जो है वो हमारी इम्प्रूव होती है 2-3 महीने में and they start selling those cars, the factories are closed. So who's going to be making the cars of tomorrow? It takes a while, right? So there's going to be massive shortages of everything. It's going to cause inflation. If you read history, this happens a lot.
Okay, so the Skype calls and FaceTiming with family part is done. अब now the thing is, guys, मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि मैं ये वाले vlogs daily कोशिश करूँ कि मैं लगाऊँ because if I don't give myself a deadline, I end up just not procrastinating. मुझसे edit खत्म कभी नहीं होता. तो मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि अगर मैं अपने आप को एक daily deadline दूँ. I know I'm gonna lose sleep. I might not be able to do this every day, but I'm gonna attempt at putting up a vlog every other day or something. I'm gonna try to make it a daily vlog, but I'm not gonna call it that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is my first out of the entire quarantine series. Let's all hope and pray that things get better very, very soon, inshallah, and that all over the world things go back to normal, and let's just hope that this is a phase that we're all going to get over very, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog today, and if you did, subscribe now, hit the bell notification icon, and comment and share the vlog. Thanks guys, love you. Good night.